Hi, my name is Joan Harper, Dr. Joan Dr. Joan Harper. I'm a помолвка from Northern California, costume женщина из Народа Села, and I specialize in understanding American culture, history, and literature from an indigenous or Native American point of view. Она занимается изучением этой темы, So the title of my presentation is Indigenous Cultural Persistence and Survival in Sonoma County. So I'll try to tell you a little about my family history within the context of what happened to Native Americans in California. Коренными жителями свидетель в истории Калифорнии. Native Americans are also known as American Indians. They're the same. In the United States, there are 573 Indian tribes. В Америке вообще 573 федерально признанных индейских племен. They are all different. Они все разные друг от друга исторически и There are over 2.5 million Native American people in the United States. Примерно в Америке где-то 2,5 миллиона коренных американских людей. And in California, there are 109 Native tribes. 109 федеральных племен. And over 600,000 Native people in California. 600 тысяч коренных жителей Калифорнии. Это карта. This is a map of the United States. We have Canada to the north. Канада там сверху, внизу это and it goes south. And this is the continental U.S. Это восток. Alaska for там Аляска находится и Калифорния, Гавайи, Америка. This is California, right here on the coast. California is a very large area. And San Francisco, is about here. And Fort Ross is located approximately there. And this is our native territory. This is Marin County and Sonoma County. And Fort Ross is up here. The other major feature in our territory is called the Russian River. We have been invaded by many different groups of people. The first was Spanish, who established the Spanish mission system. It's called the mission system. What they essentially were forts for military purposes and to convert the native population and forcing the native people into labor, forced labor. This is a brutal system, and records show that my family members were among those incarcerated in the mission system. What this did to our people is we lost access to much of our hunting areas, our gathering sites. Our subsistence lifestyles, and many people died from disease.
Очень много людей умерло от болезней,
Poor diet,
недоедания,
low birth rate,
у них была мало рождаемость,
and inadequate sanitation. Many died in inside nations. Some managed to run away. One of my relatives did run away.
Кто-то сбежал, кому-то удалось сбежать, а кому-то не удалось сбежать.
And we know that he became ill, couldn't survive on his own, and he went back into the mission system. Many others who were in the outlying areas managed to evade capture by the Spanish. And then the other group that came to heard about the Russian-American conflict, my family was there in Sonoma County and watched as the first Russian groups landed on the coastal lands of Sonoma County.
Члены семьи, они были там, и они видели, как приехали на их землю.
And Russia and Rocky swept out the
В
day-to-day.
1609 году они приехали по ДКБ, и в 1612 они приехали под Рос.
Those were Russian-American company army. And as Ron also said, we know that there was an economy that's native last name is Como in Costa Rica. Within the context of early California history, in the 1840s, gold was discovered in California. People from all over the world,
Люди со всего мира приезжали туда, чтобы искать золото.
including Europe and other parts of the United States,
И американцев,
invaded California.
да, они все приехали в Калифорнию искать золото.
They came with values and traditions that were rooted in becoming landowners.
Они приехали туда со своими понятиями и основали там.
And that started and continued a steady displacement of the native population,
Это показатель того, что коренные жители стали
pushing them aside,
они вытолкнули их дверь,
limiting traditional subsistence practices,
они практиковали свои традиции,
prison and enslavement, disease,
болезни были, в тюрьму сажали, и их убивали европейцы, американские иммигранты.
rampant murder by European or American settlers. My own family was living along the Russian River. They were rounded up with all the Russians in the village, marched away from their homeland, and forced to walk to a place inland where they were incarcerated. Men, women, and children, and many died along the way. I have at least one relative that we know who died on that trip. After the imprisonment, the only people that we know of from the village that returned were two of my family members. We don't know what happened to all the others, and we don't know what happened to the rest of the village. We hope someday to find them. Anyway, my relatives started new lives and families. They found their land and their properties and their houses were taken by others. So they had to start over and form alliances with other people. And they hunted and fished in their traditional ways, but also worked seasonally on agricultural ranches in the area. This is my great-grandmother, Mary. This is my grandmother, my great grandmother, and my mother. I want to talk about two different areas of Sonoma County. Fort Ross is in the north. But I also want to talk about the southern area where my other part of my family came from. They lived around the Sacred Lake. Their village was on the shoreline. The lake was special because it was, no, this is the other side of my family, the other part of my family. Like my mother's side, father's side, my other side.
Рассказывает про свою семью, которая со стороны матери, со стороны отца.
The lake was sacred because it was a traditional place of healing,
Священное озеро,
like a hospital. Doctors pray and perform rituals there.
доктора, ритуалы.
And Native Americans from all over California came to be healed, healing their disease. The specialty for the area was to use tarn stones, especially carved rocks, that the doctors would use to help remove the disease from the person who is ill. Then what they would do with the charm stones is cast it into the lake. They throw the stones into the lake. The purpose was to ground the illness and protect everybody else from that illness. As people got forced into the mission system, American and European landowners took over the area for agriculture and split it up into lots. This is where the lake was, and these are agricultural lots. In the 1870s, the lake was drained by those farmers. What happened is thousands upon thousands of charm stones were revealed. And my people believe that when the charms were revealed, illnesses would spread over the land and be released.
Верили в то, что народ верил в то, что если эти чанс камни вылезут наружу, то по болезни выйдет тоже.
So instead of going to the area, they tried to avoid it because it's too powerful
Ее народ пытается туда не ходить, в ту сторону,
and too dangerous.
потому что это очень опасно.
Later in the 20th
В
century,
20 году вот это озеро
you can see how it was just sort of divided agricultural lots, lots of its natural forms.
воды там уже не было, и оно все поделено на сельскохозяйственные угодья.
So the story of California Indians is much like many in the United States.
Их численность была очень сильно уменьшена. В 1769 году
So within 150 years, the native population went from 310,000 to 20,000.
В 1769 оно уменьшилось до 1000 до
Today, my family is part of a tribe that includes 1,400 native people. All of whom are descendants of a group of 16 native survivors. I'll just give you a brief rundown of our recent history. In the 1950s, the federal government removed our status as federally recognized Indians.
2000, we won it back. In 2000, we regained our status as federally recognized Indians.
Мы стали признанными федеральным в 2000 году.
A year later, we formed a
В
government,
2001 году
and the people were comprised of Pomo and Kosiwak people, and other people from Sonoma and Marin County.
Космия, Южный Помо, другие народности.
So, yeah. So, in 2013,
В 2013 году они стали открывать казино.
we formed an alliance with an organization in Oakland Casino. With the money from the casinos Indians are great country. With the money from the casino, we joined forces with local parks and bought parkland.
В 2016 году и в 2015 было парк
3,400 acres. So today we are co-managing that land with the state park.
также принимают участие как бы в моих действиях, включают.
Here's our Zambia casino,
У них вот такие вот казино есть, которые они
and we're trying to use that money to support the government, cultural and educational programs and activities.
образовательные президенты принимают участие.
And we help to purchase the parkland and are reestablishing the
И
lake
выкупить парк, они работают вместе с региональным парком.
for our use and for all people who live there.
Там раньше люди жили.
It's now becoming again our sacred lake and our sacred place.
Священное озеро, новая лейк, священное место.
Another thing we're involved in is
Да, то, что не стало
reviving our language. Our last native speaker,
свой язык.
died 20 years ago. So, last native speaker.
Последний человек, который говорил на языке, вот 20 лет назад.
Anyway, we're studying it, and this is my aunt speaking into a microphone to teach people how to speak the language.
Она обучала людей говорить на их языке. Она занимается также исследованием плетения корзин. Она работает с музеями, работниками в Америке и всего мира. Да, музейные исследования, которые в Швейцарии, Германия, Франция, Англия, Россия и Дания. Это коллекция наших эти корзины находятся в Кунсткамере, в Санкт-Петербурге. Музей Кунсткамера, там находятся самые-самые лучшие работы наших Наша традиция корзины сжигались мастером, когда мастер умирал, все его корзины, все его работы сжигались, поэтому в истории не сохранилось. А когда они поехали в Кунсткамеру, они обнаружили очень огромную коллекцию своей истории, которой у них сейчас на земле даже этого нет. Это Нэнси изучением занимается. Это Вера Салдони. Саха и Саха помогала им там работать. доктор Маркмайкерсон из штата Орегон. Вот они работали, фотографировали, измеряли все. Это космеватый народность. А вот это вот потому что они жили на побережье, представлены с ратушами. Это называется Аполлония. Это церемониальная корзина на самом деле. Имеет значение. Они, значит, обучают людей, как это сейчас плести корзины. Очень важно, корзины, плетение корзины, это очень я думаю, для культуры. Очень важно обучать традициям, верованиям детей. И языку работать вместе для нашего комьюнити, для их группы детей, поддерживать друг друга. Объединяться вместе на долгие времена, для того, чтобы их культуру прожила. Дети наше будущее.